Do you have a business or are you self-employed? Not sure which tax returns you need to file? Hi there, Chad Dickinson with Arch Tax, and you'd be surprised to know that a lot of people are self-employed or have small businesses and have no idea which tax return they need to file. So we're going to take a minute and provide a quick breakdown on filing requirements based on entity type. Okay, so if you're self-employed, sole proprietor with no EIN or with an EIN, or if you're a single member LLC, you'll report the income and expenses of your business on your personal tax return. And you'll report that on your Schedule C. The Schedule C is essentially the profit and loss report for your business. If you're a multi-member LLC, meaning you have a partner or partners, you'll be filing a 1065 tax return. If you have an S corporation, you'll be filing an 1120S tax return. Now, with both the 1065 and the 1120S, these are flow-through entities, meaning you prepare these tax returns before you prepare your personal tax return. When these returns are complete, they essentially create a net income figure for the business. What was the net profit of the business? That profit figure will then flow into your personal tax return in the form of a K-1. What is reported on the K-1 is driven by your ownership percentage in the business. Example, your S corporation generates $100,000 in net profit. You are a 20% shareholder of the business. Your K-1 will be $20,000. That $20,000 will then be reported on your personal tax return. You will personally pay tax on that profit. The business will not. The last return is an 1120 return, and this is designated for C corporations. A C corporation is typically a larger entity, and this entity is not a flow-through, meaning the business entity pays tax based on its net profits for the given year. Again, this is all high level, but the final returns to take into consideration are for employees. Does your business have W-2 employees? If so, the business will need to file 940 and 941 returns. I highly recommend using a company that offers payroll services for these returns. Coordinating payroll, making estimated tax deposits, issuing W-2s at the end of the year, these are all things that can be time consuming, and if you don't feel confident doing them, should be handled by someone who knows what they're doing, because they can cause a lot of issues for you and your business if done incorrectly. If you have questions about how to set up your business and which entity is right for you and your business, feel free to contact us using the info in the banner below. Cheers.